There's an old saying, no good deed goes unpunished. A bit cynical, but contract law has sometimes reinforced that notion. For instance, in the 1825 case of Mills versus Wyman, the Massachusetts courts ruled that one person's kind act could not, without more, support the beneficiary's later promise to pay for that kindness. But this rule might seem harsh in some circumstances, and over a century later, the Alabama courts adopted a different rule in Webb versus McGowin. Joe Webb and Greeley McGowin worked at a lumber mill. Part of Webb's job was to clean out the mill's lofted second floor, in part by dropping heavy blocks of wood to the ground. But one day, just as Webb was dropping a block, he saw McGowin standing where the block was going to land. Instead of allowing the block to hit McGowin, Webb held on to it, diverting its course so it missed McGowin. But in doing so, Webb fell to the ground with the block and was severely injured. He was crippled for life and unable to work. A month later, in return for Webb's heroics, McGowin promised to provide him with $15 every 2 weeks for the rest of Webb's life. McGowin faithfully paid Webb until McGowin died 8 years later. After a few weeks, payments stopped coming. Webb then sued McGowin's executors, seeking the unpaid installments. The Butler County Circuit Court ruled that no valid contract existed and dismissed Webb's complaint.